Woo. Oh Lord. What's up, everyone? What's up? This is your boy. It's your boy. We're going live. We're going live today. How everybody doing on this beautiful day? On this beautiful day, we are up here in this beautiful city that is called Paradise, everyone. How you doing, my friend? My current situation here. I'm having a little issues here with the tire here. But you know that all things work together for the good for those who love the Lord, everyone. So my current situation here. We got my man. Putting 2 tires on. Our current location. We are so deep up here right now. And my current location is Arizona, everyone. We way up here in Arizona. We're having little issues here. And we decided to pull over and purchase some new tires, which are over here. Have to get a couple of new tires for my truck. They're gonna put on here, come off of these here. So we're going to get 2 brand new ones so we can continue our journey. So we're just here now, taking our time to get everything back in order. I got my man doing the job. Say what's up, my buddy? Peace. Hey, I got my man here doing the job. But hey, it's better being safe than sorry. All of these here are new tires. Those are new tires. The other set over there, I don't know if you guys can see those sets. I'll walk over to over here. Those are new set there. Those are new sets there. So we got all new sets on here. But we'll have to get these new sets here. Which those you can probably see, they're not that good at all. But hey, we up in Arizona, heading back to Florida. But until next time, everyone, I'll see you guys again. Keep us in your prayers, and always remember, God is good. Peace.